Have you ever wondered which countries feel the safest and most exciting when you travel alone across the world? Today we are exploring the top countries for solo travel experience where freedom, safety and adventure come together in unforgettable ways. From peaceful cities to wild natural landscapes, each destination offers a completely different version of solo discovery. Every journey becomes more personal, more meaningful and more transformative when you travel alone. Watch till the end and tell me which country you would visit first in the comments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more cinematic travel journeys. 10. Japan and perfect solo travel balance. Japan is one of the safest and most organized countries for solo travelers in the world. Tokyo feels futuristic with neon lights, trains and endless city energy. Kyoto offers calm temples, gardens and traditional streets full of history. Public transport is clean, fast and extremely reliable everywhere. Food culture makes solo dining easy, comfortable and enjoyable. People are respectful, helpful and polite toward travelers. It feels like every detail of life is designed to guide you gently here, where safety, order and beauty turn traveling alone into a peaceful experience of discovery and confidence. 9. Thailand and backpacker solo adventure hub. Thailand is one of the most popular solo travel destinations for backpackers worldwide. Bangkok is full of street food, energy and vibrant nightlife. Islands like Phuket, Krabi and Koh Samui offer tropical relaxation. Temples and cultural sites add spiritual depth to travel. Hostels create opportunities to meet travelers from around the world. Transportation is affordable, flexible and easy to use. Local food is rich, flavorful and budget-friendly. Thailand feels like a social solo adventure paradise. 8. Italy and cultural solo discovery. Italy is perfect for solo travelers who love history, art and culture. Rome offers ancient ruins and iconic landmarks everywhere you look. Venice creates peaceful canal experiences and romantic walks. Florence is filled with Renaissance art and architectural beauty. Small cafes offer quiet spaces for reflection and journaling. Train travel connects cities smoothly and conveniently. Every street feels like stepping into living history. Italy feels like a cultural masterpiece for solo travel. It feels like every moment carries emotion here, where art, history and daily life come together to create a deeply meaningful journey alone. 7. Switzerland and peaceful solo escape. Switzerland offers one of the most peaceful and safe solo travel experiences in the world. Snow-covered mountains create breathtaking scenery in every direction. Crystal clear lakes reflect perfect mirror-like landscapes. Alpine trains pass through cinematic mountain valleys. Hiking trails allow deep personal exploration in nature. Cities like Zurich and Lucerne feel clean and calm. It feels like nature becomes your closest companion here, where mountains, silence and beauty help you reconnect with yourself deeply while traveling alone. 6. Australia and endless solo adventure. Australia is ideal for long solo travel journeys across diverse landscapes. Sydney combines beaches, city life and iconic architecture. Road trips reveal endless coastlines, deserts and forests. Wildlife encounters make travel unique and exciting. Hostels and communities support solo travelers everywhere. Surfing, hiking and outdoor sports are widely available. The country feels open, vast and welcoming. Australia feels like freedom without limits. It feels like every road leads to discovery here, where space, distance and nature create a powerful sense of independence and adventure. 5. Spain and vibrant solo travel culture. Spain offers energy, culture and warmth for solo travelers. Barcelona is full of architecture, beaches and nightlife. Madrid offers museums, food and lively city energy. Small towns bring peaceful cultural charm and tradition. Tapas culture makes solo dining enjoyable and social. Festivals fill streets with music, dance and color. It feels like life moves with rhythm here, where culture, food and music create an emotional experience even when traveling alone. 4. Iceland and raw solo nature experience. Iceland is perfect for solo travelers seeking silence and nature. Waterfalls, glaciers, volcanoes and hot springs shape the land. Road trips reveal untouched cinematic landscapes everywhere. Northern lights create magical skies at night. Population is small and environment feels pure. Hot springs offer relaxation in freezing air. It feels like solitude becomes strength here, where nature speaks louder than anything and silence becomes deeply inspiring and healing. 3. Turkey and cultural solo connection. Turkey connects Asia and Europe with rich cultural diversity. Istanbul offers mosques, markets and historic streets. Cappadocia is famous for hot air balloons and valleys. Food culture is rich, warm and welcoming. Transport connects cities easily and efficiently. Local hospitality makes solo travel comfortable. History and modern life blend beautifully everywhere. Turkey feels like a cultural bridge journey. It feels like two continents meet here, where tradition and modern life create a deeply meaningful solo travel experience full of discovery. 2. Portugal and calm solo coastal life. Portugal is known for peaceful cities and beautiful ocean views. Lisbon offers colorful streets and scenic viewpoints. Porto brings rivers, bridges and wine culture. Coastal towns feel quiet and relaxing. Tram rides create nostalgic travel moments. Food is simple, fresh and flavorful. Sunsets over the Atlantic are stunning. Portugal feels like calm solo escape. It feels like life slows down here, where ocean breeze and quiet streets create a peaceful emotional rhythm for traveling alone. 1. New Zealand and ultimate solo adventureland. New Zealand offers one of the most complete solo travel experiences in the world. Mountains, lakes, forests, beaches and fjords exist together beautifully. Road trips feel cinematic and endless. Adventure activities bring confidence and personal growth. Remote cabins offer deep, peaceful solitude. Nature feels powerful, fresh and untouched. Every region feels like a different world. New Zealand feels like pure solo freedom. It feels like every path leads to discovery here, where nature, adventure and silence create a deeply personal journey of independence and transformation. These countries show how solo travel can be safe, exciting and deeply life-changing when experienced with an open mind and fearless heart. Every destination offers a different version of freedom, confidence and self-discovery that shapes who you become. Traveling alone teaches strength, awareness and emotional growth in ways no other experience can. Every journey becomes a story written by your own choices and courage. Tell me which country you would visit first in the comments below. Share this video with someone who dreams of solo travel. Subscribe for more cinematic travel journeys around the world. Your next solo adventure might change your entire life.